this is another very useful feature in the camera. So when you just go into the camera, let's see, you turn on the camera, this is back camera, right? So if you want to turn into the front camera, switch it to the front camera, so you need to just press this button and it will bring you to the front camera. When you just press this button, it will go back to the back camera. But here is another shortcut. When you go into the settings, so just go scroll down a little bit and look at this. It says the swipe up and down to switch camera. So let it turn on, which is already it was on. So when you just swipe up, it's going to switch the camera one another. See, and if you go here, it will zoom in and zoom out. See, it will, sorry, it's just switching to the video, I'm sorry. And just go up and slide down or slide up, it will flip the camera. This you can easily switch your camera. And if you like that video, thumbs up.